Hey guys, in this tutorial we are going to be painting this baby hippo. It is one of our paint by line products, and the first step I'm doing is I'm taking this big bristled brush and I'm going to paint the entire hippo. I'm going to come back and go over it with some other color, but for now I'm just going to go ahead and cover everything up since so much of the hippo is gray. And then I'm going to paint his toes and I guess his little fingernails, and then I'm going to also paint his teeth, and I'm painting them a color called cotton. And all of the color I'm using today is Dixie Belle paint, which can also be purchased on our website. The color I painted the baby hippo was a color called Mason-Dixon Gray. Now I'm going to begin to fill in all of the etched lines. And I'm doing this with a detail paintbrush and some slightly watered down black paint. The black paint's name is Caviar. And as you can see, I'm just following the lines that are already there and filling them in with black paint. This hippo can be purchased on our website in our shape section in a category called Paint by Lines. Now we're going to take a painter's pen and go around the entire outside edges of the hippo, and this will complete our outlining look. Beyond the lines, this is where I like to add accents and details that were not etched into the product for me. So I'm taking the detailed paintbrush with some of the cotton paint and I'm going around and adding accents to the hippo. I'm kind of following the lines that are already there and just adding a little bit of white to brighten it up. You can add as little or as much highlights as you want to. You can do them heavy or light. It's really up to you. Just kind of stick with the lines that are there and brighten it up. Alright guys, we are done. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and share, and I will see you next time.